Canadian military is investigating a strange beeping sound coming from the floor of the Arctic Sea. The area is a major hunting spot in the summer and winter months, and the sound apparently even has the animals spooked. So spooked, reports say there were hardly any there. The strange noise has sparked many theories. The Department of National Defense says submarines were unlikely to be the cause, but have not been ruled out. Some blame Baffinland Iron Mines Corporation, which has conducted sonar surveys in the area, but the company says it currently has no equipment in the water. Others went so far as to say Greenpeace is causing the noise to scare away the wildlife from the highly hunted area. The environmental group has denied the claims. CBC News reports the Canadian Armed Forces are taking the appropriate steps to actively investigate the situation. For Viewer, I'm Josh King.